You are a motherfucking jack. Stop, bro. Bro, look at this. There's nothing there. All right? When I flex, there's only normal muscle, but the left arm doesn't do that. I don't know why. The left arm doesn't do that. It doesn't move. Tiger 80 Lite Sunday stream, orange shorts. Oh boy, today's gonna be a good day. Let's hope. This is not the plate for it. I took out the foam because I was actually taking pictures of the foam because I'm going to be using it for a write-up for the Tiger 80. I'm going to do a written review. But we have foam here and PE foam. Nothing out of the norm. The switches are interesting. Okay, quick little side note. They didn't give me a name for these switches. They're Texie switches though. They're a prototype switch. I don't think there's any official name for these. So I actually, story with this, I cracked a few open. All right, so I cracked a few of these switches open and I was like, these are already lubed. Like there's pre-lube on them. And the factory pre-lube is actually pretty good. And I don't think I've been that happy with Texie factory lube. So I ended up cleaning one off and I tried applying some, I was gonna use GS2 for this. And quite honestly, there wasn't that big of a difference. So I ended up just leaving them stock. I think there's probably like 3 or 4 in here mixed with the GS2. But yeah, they're that good factory lubed that I didn't feel the need to lube them. They don't really take the films all that well. Like there was no real need to. Snow Queen, that could be really cool. All right, so we got some screws here. We'll open this guy up now. Just like the Tiger 80, this comes with some, what the fuck? I guess we have to use this now. This comes with tape mods. Pancake, was this your doing? This is a tape mod that you can put on the back of a keyboard. You know, I didn't even expect you to do this, to be honest. I'll have to give one of these away if there's 2. You can put your own things on the tape mod, I believe, too. Bro, I need that pick. Bro, I would have loved Alex Wide on this, too. I'll take that off your hands for 10 bucks. No selling. No selling, guys. Some stabs. I will be using these stabs here because I do want to build it with everything that comes inside the box, not using other stuff. Our PCB, there is a lot of flex cuts with this. So we do have to keep that in mind. All right, let's see the board. Ooh, this is a nice color. Oh, this is a very vibrant purple. Is it like a purple or is this more like a blue? I can't really tell. It's like a in-between. A blurple. It's actually not too bad looking. I like this. I think this separates. I don't know if there's screws in there. Yeah, it just separates. I'm curious how this is all going to turn out with our config today. I'm actually quite excited for this build. Switch materials is an HPE top, I believe a nylon bottom, and then a, oh god, I can't remember, TPE or something for the stem. So yeah, is this 120 before shipping? And you get stabs and stuff too, everything you saw in there. How about 120 bucks? 136 shipped. Okay, so let's just say 140 shipped to some people. Obviously, it depends on your location. So that's not bad. That's actually not bad at all, dude. Like, that's really good. Yeah, be aware of your import fees. Be aware of all that stuff. Plate, pretty standard fare. Nothing too crazy here. And I wanted to actually take a look at the PCB. Firm, I'm having a great day, dude. All right, we have our daughter board too. It's actually nice to see the inclusion of a daughter board in something like this too. Again, we're not going to build this without any foam today because I don't know how this is going to sound without any foam. But if you were to build it without any foam, it is a plastic case, and I am concerned that this many flex cuts might give you a bit of a thinner sound. But I think the majority of people who are buying this are probably going to be building this with foam. And there's, just so everyone's aware, dude, there's nothing wrong with that, by the way. All right. I know some people love to push the agenda that, oh, foam, it's bad, It's not, dude. If you want to build it with foam, build it with foam. Let's use the one they sent me. Only because I think yellow and purple might actually look pretty good. Those orange shorts, it's a good day when you see it. Gotta admit though, bro, KBDFans really stepping it up with good packaging, dude. Trays are for sale on pre-order. Oh, they have trays for sale? Yeah, these are probably the better trays that I've come across. And they're compact enough. If they're this size, if the pre-order ones are this size, these are compact enough for storage as well. So I respect that. I just got in some oh yeah, the JTK ones aren't that bad either. I kind of like these ones here more a little bit though. Is there a relegendable? Oh, there is some relegendables. That's pretty good. The quality of the PBT fan stuff from KBDFans is actually pretty good. Wow, I didn't even know there were legendables in here. But if we want some more rundown on this keyboard, I still personally think, even if you don't go for the light version, the Tiger 80 is still, again, in my opinion, one of the nicer keyboards you can get for the price point. I think these screws, yo, goddamn, there's so many extra screws here. I think these are for the daughter board. Nothing wrong with tactiles. They aren't my cup of tea, but there's nothing wrong with them. I actually tried clickies yesterday at the meetup. Bro, I'm actually kind of vibing with clickies. Clickies were really fun. And let's put on our gasket sock. So if you guys haven't seen this too, it uses these interesting gaskets that slip on. And it creates this almost like thick gasket wall, which is interesting. So we're gonna put these all where the plate is. Gasket slides. Oh yeah, we're calling them slides. That's right. They are slides. Also, notice how the foam, the mid foam, is really gonna seal up the keyboard too. So you can see like how it's cut. It does extend over a little bit, which is interesting. Please explain, why do people assemble their keyboards themselves? Do you have different switches for different keys? What is the magic behind this? So it's a whole bunch of different things. You mod it, you put it together yourself. I mean, with any hobby, let's look at building, even building model cars. So why would you build a model car? Just when you can buy a already pre-built car from like a store. There is lots of reasons and lots of fun behind doing your own project. It doesn't always have to be for a reason. Sometimes it's just because you want to build it, and that's reason enough. So for me, that's like the big reason as to why. It's just something I enjoy assembling. And I think that should always just be enough of a reason. But I think my biggest advice to anyone is don't feel like you need to rush. Take your time, because most of your stuff will be better when you take your time. Opinion on using PE foam in the bottom of the case instead of polyfill? I don't know. We'll do some experimenting with this keyboard today. Let me build this up this way, and then we'll do some experimenting. Do I have enough screws for this? Why do I feel like I'm missing a screw? There's 2 more screws there, and I think I need 3 more screws. Oh no, I need 4 more screws. I don't know. Holy flex. All right. Flex is kind of a meme though, don't forget guys. Flex is kind of a meme, so don't take that for like what it's worth. I don't think I'm gonna taste the Switch anytime soon. Why not? Okay, yeah, fair. I'll take that. Fair answer. I'll give you guys the weight. I don't know how important the weight is on a keyboard that's made of plastic is, but this is the weight fully built. We'll do kilos. It is 0.643 kilograms, or 1.6 pounds, about 1.7 pounds. It's not very heavy. Okay, here is the 2 keyboards side by side. RGB shows up in non-colored cases. Probably, yeah. Plus it's really bright today, so keep that in mind too. Okay, both cases we'll take a look at quick. One doesn't have the design on the back, by the way. The aluminum one has the design. This just says KBDFans, as you can see right there in the reflection. Then this design is kind of tough to see in most angles. Truthfully, dude. This is a lilac. This is not silver. This is a very, very light purple. I see no differences physically other than the actual design on the bottom. Okay, and there we go. That's both keyboards. It looks silver. It is purple. It is a very, 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 very smidge of purple. That's it. So both of them have KBDFans keycaps on them. One is using Gatoron cap yellows. The other one is using whatever switches these are going to be called in the future. I'm actually curious to see what this is going to sound like. This is so light, by the way. This is a re-legendable that comes with this set, yeah. So let's see what this sounds like on the light. So this is just with the mid foam. We did no other mods, no tape, no PE, no stuffing this with foam. Even using the stock cherry stabs, and we're using even stock switches. This is a great example of what we can do now with not having to do really anything other than modding our stabs. The mods all sound good. I actually like the spacebar more in this version. So let's look at the spacebar here. It's much louder actually in this guy over here. You know what? I actually kind of like the light more than I like this guy. Both are kind of thin. Put the tape mod. We'll put the tape mod too today. This is the aluminum one. Mind you, one's using a long pole switch. I do not think the light sounds muted. There's no muted part to this board. I would say the only thin sounding thing is probably the spacebar. Truth be told. But I do not think this sounds light. If you like the sound profile you're hearing today on both of these boards and want something close to it, yes, the QK can get that sound profile. I would still pick the Tiger 80. It gives you more budget to do more things with your keyboard. And I honestly don't think this is a bad keyboard at all. Like, it's a pretty solid buy at $140 all in with shipping for most parts of where you're buying this. Pretty solid purchase for the Lite. Probably the most affordable. Here we go. We're going to use this. Probably the best value you can probably get. Dude, how do you even put this on nicely? Let's see. It's only a little ruined. Oh no, we're good, we're good. Ain't no way. Okay, I fixed it, relax. Dude, this is gonna be so weird. I'm gonna see my face on the bottom of the keyboard. Oh look, two people. Nick102, oh my god, was in this one. And also Mr. Kupo. he got put in this little thing here. Can I get that tape? Ask Pancake. I don't know, Pancake is the one that probably got this screen capture. Okay, you can kind of see it. Bro, what the hell is this? You can actually kind of see it. It looks like I'm staring at my... Dude, that's so stupid. Screenshot. Dude, it looks like I'm staring at my... It looks like I'm disappointed in myself. It's so stupid, bro. Look at this. Okay, now we use the tape in this. So let's see what this sounds like now. It's a little more pop, yeah. I think that helped with the spacebar a lot, truthfully. I don't think this was very, it wasn't very like intrusive for the sound profile. Yeah, the spacebar is very, very sharp, I will say. That is maybe the only drawback of the KBDFans Tiger 80. It definitely is a sharper spacebar. Let me just get an ABS. So I want to see if we can bring this to life a little bit more without having to stick foam. I didn't type on it though. Oh, dude. I'm sorry, ABS kind of slaps with this. Yeah, ABS is definitely better. As per the usual, I find. Yeah, that's a lot better. So all in, with keycaps and switches, mind you, we didn't go super expensive for switches. And let's just say you also need a little bit of, what's it called, lubricant as well. So let's just add 10 bucks to that. You're probably going to be looking at under $300 for a fully built keyboard that you get to build yourself. And if you already have any of these things, you don't even have to go with expensive keycaps. It's going to be even cheaper. That's actually not bad. I think this is a pretty good deal, truth be told. I don't need any lubricants when I'm watching your stream. Ayo. I think this is pretty darn good. But take care, everyone. I love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys literally tomorrow. Peace out, everybody.